Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So today I am so excited. I've been waiting for this box for a really long time. This will be the unboxing of my BOXYCHARM. I'm so excited for February. This look is from my one palette challenge week, so if you've seen this look, that is why. Nothing that is in this box is on my face because it's not open yet. So I'm ready to dip into this because I'm so excited. Oh, I just moved my camera. You guys just kind of saw my lighting situation. Okay, camera. Okay. We have opened the box. Okay, so this is the Afterglow box for February. It tells the prices of everything on the back. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these boxes, so I'm not going to take a super long time on this video because I just want to show you guys. I'm just so excited to have this. You don't even understand. But first thing we have is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I wanted the coconut cream or body cream or whatever, but a facial cleanser, as I was sitting here reading it, I was thinking I probably need this. So let me smell this. Oh, it's sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. I can't smell anything. But I'm actually excited to have this because my skin has been acting up a little bit, so I do need something that is specifically for my face, like good and natural and whatnot. So this is, I'm excited about that too. And this is pretty big. It's pretty heavy. This retails for $22. So next we have the Trestique. I have no idea. Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. This is a 2-in-1 lip duo. So this retails for $25. This is what it looks like. Oh, that's cool. It's an interesting shape. You see that? It's pretty interesting. Oh, that is pretty glossy. And that's a nice color. I think that'll be a nice shade for me. That'll be a pretty shade for me. And it says primer inside. So I was gonna put it on my face. To be completely honest, I've never even heard of a lip primer. Is that supposed to be like just chapstick or something? It magnets close. That is so cool. Super cool. This retails for $25. I think I said that. Next we have the No Pore Blum Primer. Smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. This is from Touch in Sol. This is a primer. I don't know why I want to smell it so bad. Oh, it smells really good actually. I'm super excited for this because I have a video idea that I've really wanted to do with primers, so I'm really excited to have this. But yeah, I'm always into, I love primers. So next we have the Pretty Vulgar. Oh, how much does that retail for? The Touch in Sol retails for $18. That's not bad. $18 is not bad for 1 ounce. It's not bad. Next we have the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. This is the Shimmering Swan 126 Glow Up Highlighting Illuminator. This is what that looks like. Oh, okay. I like that highlighter. I love Pretty Vulgar. I have my pet setting powder here on my desk right now. I use it every single day. I love Pretty Vulgar, so I'm super excited to have this. This retails for $32. That's a bit expensive, but I hope it's worth it because, I mean, I didn't pay $32 for it, but I may want to replace this $32. So I like it, and the packaging is super cute. I love their theme. They're like, I don't even know what to call that, but it's super cute. Last but not least, we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now this has been talked about for a really long time. People were super excited to see that this was in the box. I've never tried this mascara. This retails for $25. I can't, $24, sorry. This retails for $24. I don't own a lot of Too Faced products. I have their foundation, the Born This Way. I don't know why I smell everything. It just smells like mascara. But everybody raves about this mascara, has been talking about it for a really long time. So I'm super excited to add this to my collection. And I hope I like it. Actually, I hope I don't like it that much because I don't know if I would have paid $24 for another one. If I love it, I will though. It's pretty heavy. I know people were saying that in their videos and I just didn't believe it. But it is pretty heavy. It's got some weight to it. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. But yeah, so I got box number 3, if anybody cares. That's what box number I got. I'm excited for this box. I'm excited for all of these products. I'm excited to use all of them. I have been waiting a really long time for this box. I was so excited once I saw that the Better Than Sex was in there, More Pretty Vulgar was in there. I wanted the coconut cream and I was really excited about that, but I'm happy with what I got. So let me know what you guys think. If you got boxes, let me know what you got, what you love, what you hate. How would you think about the box if you got one? If you didn't get one, you definitely should sign up for BOXYCHARM. Sorry, I can't think straight. BOXYCHARM is a subscription. You pay $21 a month plus tax. It's like $22. But $21 a month, and you get a box every month full of goodies, makeup products. I got lashes in my box, the first box that I ever received, which was my November. You get brushes sometimes, cleansers. I love the BOXYCHARM. I've never had an issue. January was not my favorite box, but there were things in there that I actually still go to, so it wasn't that bad, but I was super excited for this box and it definitely lived up to it. I shouldn't watch the reviews as much as I do, but I did, and it didn't even ruin it for me. I was still happy to have this box. I was still happy to get everything that I got, and I'm excited to use them. And maybe I'll do not a separate video like trying it on, but maybe I'll let you guys know, of course, if something is from the box. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. If you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.